Have you recently had a deep teeth cleaning procedure or planning to have one? This dental procedure, also known as scaling and root planing, plays a vital role in maintaining oral health by removing plaque and tartar buildup. It's a common practice, but what comes after? That's where this guide comes in. We're about to delve into the world of post-procedure care, providing you with practical tips for a swift recovery. In this video, we will share 5 essential tips for a speedy recovery after a deep teeth cleaning procedure. Our first tip is to follow individualized instructions from your dental provider. This may seem obvious, but it's a step that is often overlooked and can make a significant difference in your recovery process. You see, each of us has a unique mouth with our own set of dental needs and considerations. Your dental professional understands this and will provide instructions tailored specifically to you. These instructions might include advice on what foods and drinks to avoid in the days following your deep cleaning. Typically, it's best to steer clear of anything too hot, cold, or hard, as these can irritate your gums and slow down your healing. They may also remind you to be gentle when brushing your teeth. Your gums are likely to be sensitive after a deep cleaning, so a softer touch is key. Remember, personalized advice from your dental professional is crucial for your unique oral health. Following their guidance will help ensure a swift and smooth recovery, leading you on the path to a healthier smile. Moving on to our second tip, eating before your appointment. You might wonder why this is important for your recovery. Well, the answer lies in the anesthetic used during the procedure. When your mouth is numb, eating can be a challenging and sometimes uncomfortable task. By having a meal prior to your appointment, you can avoid this discomfort and ensure you have the energy your body needs for a speedy recovery. Now, you may ask, what should I eat? Opt for soft foods that are easy to chew and swallow. Whole grains, lean proteins, and fruits and vegetables are all excellent options. They provide essential nutrients that can aid in healing and inflammation reduction. Avoid anything too hard or crunchy that might irritate your gums. And remember, you'll want to stay hydrated, so drink plenty of water. A full stomach can help make your recovery more comfortable. Our third and fourth tips involve post-procedure care. So you've made it through your deep teeth cleaning appointment and you're back home. Your gums might feel a bit sore, maybe even a bit tender. That's totally normal, don't worry. But to soothe your gums and promote healing, you can rinse your mouth with warm salt water. Just dissolve half a teaspoon of salt and a cup of warm water. Swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. Easy, right? This homemade remedy can be a real game changer for your comfort during recovery. Now, let's talk about your daily oral hygiene routine. This is where tip 4 comes into play. Maintaining proper oral hygiene is absolutely crucial after your deep cleaning procedure. You should continue brushing your teeth at least twice a day and flossing daily. Consider using a water flosser if you find regular flossing uncomfortable or challenging. It's a handy device that can be gentler on your gums while still being effective in removing plaque. Remember, the goal here is to keep your mouth clean, reducing the risk of additional plaque buildup and promoting faster healing. It's about more than just fresh breath and a bright smile. It's about ensuring your gums recover quickly and properly from your deep cleaning procedure. Good oral hygiene practices can significantly speed up the recovery process. And finally, our fifth tip, dealing with tooth sensitivity. It's not uncommon to experience a bit of sensitivity following a deep teeth cleaning, but fear not, there are ways to mitigate this. One of the most effective methods is using a sensitivity toothpaste. These toothpastes are specially formulated to provide relief from the discomfort associated with sensitive teeth. So, how do you use it? It's simple. Just like your regular toothpaste, you brush with it twice a day. However, there's a little trick to maximize its effectiveness. After brushing, resist the urge to rinse. Yes, you heard that right. By not rinsing, you allow the active ingredients in the toothpaste to continue working, providing longer lasting relief. Remember, tooth sensitivity should gradually decrease as your gums heal. If it persists, don't hesitate to reach out to your dental professional. These tips will ensure a smooth journey to a healthier smile. And there you have it, 5 essential tips for a speedy recovery after a deep teeth cleaning procedure. Let's recap quickly. Follow your dentist's instructions, eat before your appointment, rinse with warm salt water, maintain excellent oral hygiene, and use sensitivity toothpaste for relief. These simple steps can make your journey to a healthier smile that much smoother and quicker. Remember, a healthy smile is just a few steps away. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more valuable dental care tips.